Passport Seva project is an initiative of Ministry of External Affairs in partnership with Tata Consulting Services. This project was started in 2008, wherein we provide the transformation services, passport services to the citizens of India in a timely, securely and transparent way. Earlier, there was a time constraint that people used to visit the passport office. The timing was from 9 to 5 or there was a time limit. But now the things have gone online. All you have to need to do is to log into passports portal, that is passportindia.gov.in, and simply apply for the passport, make the payment over here and visit the Passport Seva Kendra. And within 1 or 1.5 hours, your application will be processed. The thing is, it's transparent, it's simple, it's clear, and there are no agents involved. So we request the citizens of India not to go through the agents. Simply, we have the VLEs, that is the Common Service Centers, wherein the passport has gone to the people in the rural areas. So the rural area people now, they need to go to the agents or to the touts or to the cyber cafe to apply for that. They can go to the VLE centers and apply for the passport. There is a nominal fee charge of ₹100 and they can get the application processed. Apart from that, we have the M-Passport application, and under this app, we have tried to take the passport services on the fingertip of the citizens of India. In this, we have multiple features where you can track the status of an application. You can locate your Passport Seva Kendra, regional passport officers, or else if you want to get the journal information, you can get the journal information. You can contact us any point of time. So this is available on all the 3 platforms, and rather on the 4 platforms. There is BlackBerry also, Android, iPhone, Windows, and we have got a decent download, more than 6 lakhs download over it, and the average rating has been 3.83. So we are doing well in this area. For the future plan for the M-Passport application, currently we are into this. It's a static site. We have the static net. We are moving into the transitional one. And then in the coming few months, the citizens of India would be able to apply from the mobile only for the passport application. They need to go to the portal even. With the application only, they will be able to fill the online form and make the payments. Plus, we are also coming up with the transaction for the police verification. Mainly, it takes a lot of time for the police verification. They have to download the documents and get it verified, and again they have to upload. Now, the application will facilitate the police officials to they will have to carry a tab or a mobile phone that can be downloaded on a simple Android phone. Then they can verify the citizen over there, and they can upload the details and it. So the time reduction would be there.